Hello friends, this is Painter Doug LA and we are back in Laguna Beach. And I brought along my Trusty Canon 5D Mark IV and attached a vintage 28mm FD lens with very flawed glass. From time to time I really have fun taking pictures with an old lens to try and achieve what I see today, but with that vintage look that only a lens from the 70s can achieve. So let's take a stroll in this beautiful seaside town, which appears a little lively today with some protesting going on and classic cars cruising up and down the street. But the ultimate goal is to visit the wonderful and beautiful Royal Hawaiian and order some very tasty rum cocktails. Wow, that was some lively, peaceful protesting going along PCH. By the smell of it, I think it's time for some coffee. Here's a little peek on what I'm working with today. We're always looking out for anything Tiki related. And the Hobie Surf Shop around the corner has a little surprise for us. And look what we have discovered. At the back of a retail store is a little corner of paradise. The owner of this establishment is a serious collector. We see some original vintage Tiki decor and LeRoy Schmaltz original Tiki mask, paddles, and lamps and shields from Oceanic Arts. This display makes me really thirsty for some rum drinks at the Royal Hawaiian. I am impressed. The only thing missing is a bartender. As promised, check out the impromptu car show. Okay, here's some wind chimes to mellow you out after that. And escape awaits. All we have to do is cross the street. Oh boy, this place never disappoints, and the drinks are legendary. Come on in. Terry's buying. It's a little pricier than most bars, but the drinks are worth it. In case you're wondering, Terri ordered the Chief Lapu Lapu, and I ordered a 3 dots and a dash. Sit back and let's watch this mixologist perform her magic. I hope you enjoyed that little performance, and let me tell you, these drinks taste as good as they look. After ordering a few more cocktails, I think we are imagining things. Wait, is that a mermaid? Now we have to return to reality. We better walk it off before the drive home.
That was so fun.
Woo-hoo! Hey, thank you for sticking around with us till the end. We do hope you enjoy this day trip with us. And please like and subscribe because we have more adventures in the future. So stay tuned. Bye.